Jinan Blue Elephant CNC Machinery, the professional CNC router machine manufacturer in China. Include cabinet door furniture production line, panel saw machine, CNC side wood drilling machine, knife cutting machine for carton and leather, ATC wood, metal, stone, foam CNC router, 3-axis, 4-axis, 5-axis CNC router, plasma cutting machine, laser cutting and engraving machine. We are located in Jinan City, Shandong Province. Our CNC routers are widely used for advertising, woodworking, mold, stone, metal industry, which sells well in North America, Europe, Middle East, South Africa. Blue Elephant CNC router have passed the SGS, TUV international certifications, accept more than 50 countries import licensing, and all machine parts use import European brand. We have our own factories, research and development team, production department, sales team, after-sales service team. Factory covers an area of about 8,000 square meters, specializing in the production of various types of special-shaped machine. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. We are looking forward to agents from all over the world. Welcome the worldwide clients and dealers to visit our factory, Blue Elephant CNC Machinery. Our English experienced engineer and professional sales department can provide free training and technician support by email, WhatsApp, WeChat, Skype for every customer. Hope to establish long-term business cooperation.